Good evening guys. Today, pag-usapan po natin tungkol sa reports, how to do reports. So, I have example here guys that I already have finished the sample bilang. So, all of these guys is I already completed the structure and finishing works, which been I already finished. So, I will show you how to create the reports. From here, the dashboard, you can go say report. So dito guys, actually I make some addition in the properties which I customize, like for this, for example, properties. So I choose here folder by names, and also if you look here, the customize will be set customize. So only you can choose guys for this. You just only put type and part. You just only edit. You can just only type for this guys: part, materials, equipment, subcontract, labor. So these properties that we can enable to do or to manage our materials, equipments as you like, what you want to make a visible. So here you can do it guys, but be sure if you put parts uh, is in this setting in our dashboard, like I will show you here. So materials, like for example, where's that? For example here, wall area. No, where's that one? Please wait, show you. Wait guys, I will checking for the okay. So here, oh here. So this is now what I said guys, that we talk about for that customizations. So here, be sure that if you type in customizations, that should be same with the letters, the capital or the small letters should be same, like equipment, same like that. So materials, equipment, and so on. So that it will be recognize your settings. All right. So up. So if you go in reports, it will be shows like this example, guys. Okay. So I choose for the name of labors and materials, equipments. So it will goes this item like item cost total. So by item cost total. So all the item, let's say black work, all the black works that you have computed in the quantity takeoff, it will shows in one folder, like for this black work or excavations. So all the quantity takeoff for excavation will be belongs here in excavations, post ceilings, ground for column. All right, so you can also guys to have uh, manpower to check the manpower. Like for example, for the lintel works, you have 4 manpower cost by 220. This price guys that I already uh, calculated within base in how many people manpower by per day times the per day of the labors like that. So it's the cost and the labors for wall tile settings. So all be here. You can check for tie beam, RC putting, PC sequence lab. You can do it like that, guys, to make have a separations for the labors, for the materials by items. You can make by items. You can make also bulk items. So that's all. So this is your total report, all the materials and labors that you can easily print out uh, and represent to your boss for your project very quickly. All right. So we're back here, guys. So here, this villa I have already. Actually, we have already uh, started this villa, and we got a good quantity, and of course we have uh, got lucky the lucky bidders about for this villa. So yeah, that's it. So that's all, guys. Next next video we will talk about for the uh, how to get uh, very to make more efficient and more speed or make faster to do the quantity takeoffs by by have some tricks in doing taking for the quantity takeoffs. All right. So that's all, guys, today. So have a bless to all of you. So don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube and like also. So that's all. Thank you and more. God bless. Bye bye.